In this video, I will review how to set up automation on an Intellimon Alert. Setting up automation on an Intellimon Alert is useful to help resolve common issues and free up technician time. In this example, I assign the Delete Temporary Files task to the critically low disk space on the OS installed drive of Server Intellimon Alert to temporarily increase disk space and allow more time for a technician to resolve the issue. To begin, from the ITS portal, I navigate to Alert Management, Intellimon Alerts. I click the filter or search for the alert that I would like to change. Once I have found the alert, I click to open it. I click on the Add Automation button. The Add Automation window opens. I search for or select the automation task I would like to use. I click on Select. I am returned to the Alert Editing screen. Resources must be assigned before saving changes to the alert. I click on the Select Resources button. In the Resources window, I can decide if I want to assign sites, groups, or individual endpoints. I make my selections and click Select. I am once again returned to the Alert Editing screen. I click Save. I have reviewed how to set up automation on an Intellimon Alert. For additional information on this process, please check out the Doc Center by clicking on Resources, then Documentation.